So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you how to buy Avalanche cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Once the app is opened up, go to the bottom in the middle and select the magnifying glass. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, select that and then start typing in Avalanche. Once it's here, ticker symbol AVAX, go ahead and select that. Then go to the bottom and press on buy. Now once you're here, you can type in how much Avalanche crypto you want to buy. So for example, if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then press review. Then on this page, you can review the amount, the fees, the cost, etc. And if this looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, and then you can swipe up to submit your order. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Avalanche cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.